Hello and welcome to Maths at Home. I'm Tim. This video is aimed at helping parents to show their children how to apply the addition facts to 10. It's one of a series of videos based around learning and applying the number facts like these addition facts and the times tables. Before using this video, make sure your child knows the pairs to 10 as they are also known. If they don't, you could watch the video on learning the addition facts or pairs to 10 first. We will start by using the pairs to 10 to find pairs of 10 to make 100. This is based around understanding that 40, and I've got 40 here, is 4 tens, or 70 is 7 tens, etc. If you've got some of the bricks that stick together like this and you've got enough to make 10 lots of 10, then you can use those. I've simply used some straws which I bought at a local supermarket, and I've used an elastic band to go round, and they're in sets of 10, and you can see there 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 straws in each set, so I've got 100 altogether. And you need to make sure that your child knows if you've got 40, it's 4 tens. If it's 60, it's 6 tens. And if they're not sure about that, then practice that with them first before you move on to the activities of the pairs of tens that make 100. You are then going to repeat some of the activities you did from the addition facts to 10 video, only this time, instead of pairs to 10, 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5, it's pairs of 10 to make 100, 100 and 0, 90 and 10, 80 and 20, 70 and 30, 60 and 40, 50 and 50. So we'll start by laying out the groups of 10 on the table, and we're going to split into 2 groups. So if I put those just up there, and then you can ask your child, how many have we got here? 30. How many have we got here? 70. Try it with other pairs. So I've now got 40 and 60, and you can keep repeating that. Then you can hide some. So I've taken some away here. How many have we got left? 50. So how many must I have hidden? 50. The same sorts of activities that you might have done with the pairs to tens. And you can also use number cards that I've got here. So if I put the 50 and the 50, I can show 50 and my other 50 is there. Bearing in mind that you will need 2 50s if you're doing this activity. The other application of the pairs to 10 we're going to look at in this video is how you use these pairs to 10 to make pairs to 20. So here I've got 20 with 2 sticks of 10, the bricks that stick together, and I've also got a £10 note and 10 £1 coins, which of course makes 20, and we can use either of these sets of equipment to demonstrate how we will use the pairs to 10 to make pairs to 20. So I'll start with these bricks that stick together, and if we have 12, 10 and 2, 10, 2, remember if you look at the teens video, teen numbers video, you'll see what I mean by that. 12 and 8, because 2 and 8 make 10, 12 and 8 make 20, and also 18 and 2 make 20. And the same is true with the money. Got 10, £12. How much have I got here? Well, that must be 8 I like to put them in pairs because it's a nice way of seeing how many you've got. So we've got 12 and 8 makes 20, but equally I can swap those round, and I've got 18 and 2 makes 20, because 8 and 2 make 10. And that phrase, because 8 and 2 makes 10, or whatever it is really helpful to reinforce the learning and reinforce how you're applying those pairs to 10 to the pairs to 20. So that's how you can do it with the money. You can do the same sorts of activities as you did with the pairs to 10, hiding something. So if I take those away, how many have I got underneath? Well, that's 17, so I must have 3 because it's 7 and 3. If I take that away, I just take that. What have I taken? What have I got hidden? Well, I've got 9 on the table. 9 and 1 makes 10, so 9 and 10 1, or 9 and 11 makes 20. And don't forget, you can get these cards that I've made from the cereal box. You can turn them over. You've got a lot more than you would have if you had just the pairs to 10, when you've only got 12 cards. Here I've got 22 cards, but I've laid them all out, and you can simply start by turning one over. 4 and 6 is 10, so 4 and 16 must be 20. And 8, well, 8 and 2 is 10, so 8 and 12 is 20. And of course then you can start looking for the pairs. No, they don't work together. 16 and 1, no, that doesn't work because it will be 16 and 4 and 1 and 19. And you can go on, but you'll see it'll take a bit longer to get a pair to start with. Thank you for watching this video. There is another in the series which looks at the pairs to 100 and then pairs up to 1,000.